Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the ATTOP drone, and on the right, the TizzyToy Brushless motor drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Alright, let's kick things off with the cameras. Because, let's face it, if your drone can't take stunning selfies, what's even the point? The ATTOP drone comes with a 1080p 120 degrees FOV camera. It's like having a mini Hollywood director in the sky. You can capture high-resolution pictures and get those Instagram-worthy shots without breaking a sweat. Plus, with the ATTOP Club app, you can share your aerial masterpieces with the world. Just make sure your ex isn't following you on social media. Now, the TizzyToy drone, oh boy, it steps up the game with a 4K adjustable FPV camera. That's right, folks, 4K. It's like having an eagle's eyesight, but without the bird poop. With a 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens, you can capture every single detail, even that embarrassing bald spot you didn't know you had. Next up, let's talk battery life, because nobody wants their drone crashing mid-flight like a sleepy toddler after too much candy. The ATTOP drone comes with not one, not two, but three 3.7 volts, 1,100 milliamp hours rechargeable batteries. That's a total of 30 minutes of flight time. It's like the Energizer Bunny of drones. Just keeps going and going. And with the low battery warning function, you'll know when it's time to bring it back before it decides to take a nap in a tree. Now the TizzyToy drone is here to flex with its two 1,600 milliamp hours batteries, giving you a whopping 40 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to fly your drone, make a sandwich, and still have time to question your life choices. Plus, it comes with extra spare fan blades. Because let's be honest, we all have that one friend who thinks gentle landing is a myth. Alright, let's move on to ease of use. Because if it takes a PhD to fly your drone, you might as well apply for NASA. The ATTOP drone is a breeze to operate, with one key return, altitude hold, and headless mode. Even your grandma could fly this thing. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can use the V gesture for the camera to automatically recognize and take pictures. Just don't get too creative with your hand signs, or you might end up with some interesting photos. TizzyToy drone doesn't fall short here either. It boasts multiple functions, like high-speed rotation, circle fly, and gesture control. It's got 3 speed gears, so you can go from casual Sunday flyer to Top Gun Maverick in no time. And with its detailed tutorials and 24-hour customer service, you'll never feel alone in the sky. Unless you actually are alone, in which case, maybe call a friend. Lastly, let's talk build and portability, because you don't want your drone to be as fragile as your New Year's resolutions. The ATTOP drone is foldable and comes with a well-fitted carrying case, making it as portable as your favorite travel mug. It's perfect for kids ages 8 to 12, or adults who still think they're 8 to 12. Plus, it's a great gift idea. Just make sure you don't end up flying it into the birthday cake. The TizzyToy drone is no slouch either. It comes with a carrying case, and its exterior has been strengthened to eliminate that cheap plastic feel. With propeller guards and spare fan blades, this drone is ready for anything, from casual flights to epic drone battles. Just don't blame us if you get too competitive at the family picnic. When it comes to online reviews, the ATTOP drone has received mixed feedback. Users appreciate its durability and ease of use, but there have been several reports of malfunctioning units and short battery life. On the other hand, the ATTOP brushless motor drone has garnered praise for its camera quality, smooth flight, and overall ease of use, though some users have faced issues with customer support and the app. Both drones have their strengths and weaknesses, so your choice will depend on what features you value most. So there you have it, folks. The ATTOP drone and the ATTOP brushless motor drone. Two amazing options that will make you the king or queen of the skies. Whether you go for the 1080p wonder or the 4K beast, you really can't go wrong. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below on which drone you'd pick. And remember, always buy smart. See you in the next video. Happy flying! Product links are in the description.